Hello, hello, hello. Happy Monday. Everybody is going on Tuesday. It's 11:35 p.m. here. So I'm eating my last meal. Haven't really been documenting my meals. I just been so blah and just kind of not really feeling like wanting to do much of anything. But today I broke my fast about 8:30 with a protein smoothie. I had one banana in it. My Noosh protein powder, and a teaspoon of the Irish moss powder with a bunch of ice in it to make it frothy, blend it up. And that's how I broke my fast. But before breaking my fast, I was listening to this guy on here. His name is Tommy something. He, trying to get my water off. He tells you how to break all these different ways of breaking a fast. So one of them I did try. He said you can break a fast for women, or for men, you can break a fast with protein like chicken breast. He said he liked to do fish, like a white meat fish, like scallops, fish like that, and shellfish as well. But if not, he said pea protein. Sun Warrior sells a good one. I don't know if the Sun Warrior, I had the plant-based one. And that one was good. The thing with that was, I don't know, I saw black stuff in it. I didn't know if it was old or not, so I took it back. And I found the Noosh, and I'm pretty happy with the Noosh. It's a almond protein powder, and it has brown rice protein, and it tastes pretty good. It tastes really good, and it blends well. You could also use that powder to cook with, bake with, make a smoothie with it. Put it in a cup with some milk or water, whatever, and shake it and drink it. So you can do a lot with that particular powder. But this right here is, so that's what I had for, to break my fast about 8:30 p.m. Then I want to say about 30 to 40 minutes later, I had a nice big salad, chicken breast tender salad. I had about 2 cups of red butter lettuce or butter lettuce. I don't think the red one was in there. It might have been. But I had about 2 cups of that. I cut up some cucumbers, heirloom tomatoes. I had some dried cranberries, and a couple of croutons. And then my Bolthouse Farms yogurt dressing. That dressing is low in calories. It might take you if you don't like yogurt dressings, but I like them. And then I high in fat and all of that stuff. The yogurt dressing. So that's what I buy. And so I ate my salad, drank my water. But before I even broke my fast, I drank. He said to put some cinnamon in your water and drink it like an hour to 2 hours before you break your fast. So I was starting to cook dinner. So I just got a coffee mug of mine and filled it up and dumped some cinnamon in it. It was maybe about a teaspoon or so. He said it's supposed to make your cortisol levels come down even more. So when you eat, I guess the insulin level won't spike so bad or something or another. So I tried it. I don't know if it really helped me do anything, but so yeah, I had a chicken salad. I had 3 chicken breast tenders. They were 7 ounces. And I ate my whole salad. And I'm trying to get this down before it's too late. So this is 4 eggs. 4 large eggs, grass-fed companies. They grass-fed chicken eggs, brown. So I have 4 large eggs with 2 of my turkey bacon, which I know I did a video on this. Is Garrett's Farms sugar-free uncured turkey bacon, and it's actually really good. 1 slice is like 40 calories. So if you're looking for something a little bit health conscious, Garrett Farms is really good, and they got good sausage too. I bought that, and it was pretty good. Only thing with these is they may be a little bit more expensive. But they're really good. And I use my Thrive spray to cook the bacon. That's low in calories. And I use grass-fed unsalted butter. Kerrygold. So I just wanted to come chat with y'all. I haven't put up a video. I do got some that I gotta put together. And I haven't done my stats yet, but I do know as of last week I did no workout. I was just tired. And I just couldn't get it together. I just couldn't get it together, y'all. But when I weighed myself, I'm going to say last week sometime, I had gotten down to 239. So I didn't work out last week. Didn't work out today. Don't think I'm going to work out tomorrow because I got a doctor's appointment. But I'll see how I feel. But I have been sticking to my intermittent fasting. And I fast for a very long time as well. Like, I can fast for like 19, 20 hours. Easy. And especially during this quarantine because you can't get up and go nowhere. So most of the time you're just laying in the bed or sitting in your recliner chair or whatever watching TV. So you're not really, you know, I mean, you get the hunger pains, they come and go, but just drink you some water. You know, the more active you are, the more you're going to be wanting to eat. So that's what I do. I'll stay in my bed or sit in my chair with my water until I'm ready to work out. And I try to work out a little bit later because this helps me also to push my fast. So if I know I'm not trying to break my fast until like 7, 8 o'clock, I'll work out at 4 o'clock. I start my workout at 4 o'clock. Because by the time I start my workout at 4 and I'm finished my workout, it's almost 5. It's about 4:30, quarter to 5. then I have to cool down. It could take me an hour or so for my body to cool down before I could get in the shower. So I just keep drinking water. While my body is cooling down, and once my body cools down, it's almost about, shoot, if I finish my workout about 4:30, 4:45, and by the time I sit down and really cool off, it's probably around 6. So then I get up, take my shower. Then I have to go downstairs and cook. That's around the time I go and cook. So you're talking about 6:30, 6:45. By the time I shower and get myself together and stuff. And so I just go fix dinner and think about whatever I'm going to do for my dinner. I already know pretty much what I do to break my fast. I normally either make a protein shake or I just eat an orange. If I don't feel like being bothered with the protein shake, I'll just eat an orange, a medium-sized orange. And then I'll eat my meal like maybe 30 minutes later. I'll start to eat my meal, whatever that may be. So that about time I finish cooking, that will put me at about 7:30, and I don't eat until after I finish everything. So that'll put me between 7 and 8 that I could break my fast. So yeah, tonight I broke my fast about 8:30, and this is my last one. I had one snack, and I incorporate these into my eating, and it's pistachios. I love pistachios. Those are the only nuts that I eat is pistachios. And so, yeah, I'm drinking my water. So I'm going to drink as much water as I can before I get ready to get in the bed. I'm going to sit up here for an hour. Even though y'all looking at my empty plate, I'm going to sit here for another hour to let my food digest and then get in the bed. So until later, peace.